Hello, hello, hello. All right. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, shit. Oh, one time. All right. Let's see. All right. Can you hear me? All right. Can you hear me? All right. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. 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 Why doesn't my microphone work? It sucks. All right. I'll have to debug that later. All right. So let's see. Let's see. All right. So let's go back and figure out what kind of automations we could build. JSON flows, playbooks, one-on-one automation edits, mini courses. I don't want to do this. Okay. What's an interesting little agent I can build? n8n that would take my voice and do something with it. Basically, yeah. So basically, what I want to do is, I want to connect Super Whisper and have it post somewhere, so that I know I can do something with that later on. All right. So, okay, I have Super Whisper. So how do I capture notes from it for use in n8n? All right. So yeah, can we use Super Whisper? So basically, Super Whisper is this great app, Super Whisper and n8n. Let's see, automatically transcribe video, build full stack apps, local video transcriptions with Whisper and n8n. OpenAI Whisper to extract audio. I want to do audio. Let's look at Super Whisper. No. All right. Apple shortcuts. All right. Create new workflow. Method post, webhook. Add whatever you need. Air summaries notebook. Turn on active. 3 valves. Super Whispers transcript straight into an n8n workflow. Apple shortcuts. HTTP post. Tell Super Whisper to copy output. Copy clipboard contents. URL. Trigger it hand free. So get contents of your post to webhook. Deep link, quick failsafe. Okay. How do I get my phone to make a post from Super Whisper? Or does Super Whisper offer posts? Actually, let's say Super Whisper. All right, so how can we use Super Whisper to post? Okay. Oh, I see. I don't want to use Super Whisper right now. Settings. All right. So AI models. New version. I'm going to skip that for now. Configuration. So history, replace models, modes. Right. So modes. Create modes. What other modes are there? Meeting, custom nodes allow you to define. So we have voice, message, email, notes, super meeting. Custom mode allows you to find your own formatting. So like I want to talk to Super Whisper, and then I want it to post so that n8n can pick it up. So how do I do that? Create a webhook node. Sure. Okay. So like Super Whisper n8n, build the send to n8n shortcut. So open shortcuts. I don't care about shortcuts. Tap details. Leave empty, T value, URL. Okay. So get contents of URL. Method post. Add 3 actions. What? Tap to share. Shortcut fires. Posting JSON. Sourced. Okay, so wait. Model, change prompt. Custom mode allows you to find your own formatting rules. Okay. So how can we do this? Custom. So basically, I want to make a mode in Super Whisper that I'll talk, and then when I stop talking, it gets sent to n8n by post. And then it'll grab it from there, and then can do a bunch of things, basically. Post. Is that how I want to do it? Instructions, audio, speakers, context aware, prompting, advanced tips, voice, mode, speed, optimize, quick inputs. Our AI transcription is not required. Message, dictation, fixes grammar for a message. So we send a message through Super Whisper to where? Wait, so message mode. Okay. Activate when using add app. Interesting. Oh, so I can add apps here. WhatsApp. So wait, I can do WhatsApp? Add website. Oh, interesting. Maybe I can put my endpoint there. History, Super Whisper, vocabulary, add a new word, configuration. This is pretty cool. I feel like there's a lot I could do with this. Create mode. Default active mode. Message. Oh, okay. So activate when using WhatsApp. Oh, I see. So email mode, professional email, note mode, clear notes. Structured sections. Okay. So like this is of Slack. So Slack. Okay. So I could do that. And then can I open Slack? Because I could talk to Super Whisper and then have Slack grab it, right? All right. Let's see. Jeez. All right. So I could have a Slack channel. Let me add a channel, create a new channel. Blank channel. Sure. Channel name, Super Whisper. Create that. And then what I'm going to do, so start huddle, copy link. All right. So can I just start talking now? Start recording. But I want to do an audio talk. I want to talk to this channel. So how do I do that? Let's start recording. All right. Can I talk to Slack right now? Let's see what happens. Yeah. Record. Oh, okay. So it just grabbed what I was saying. All right. Thanks. Just great. Yeah. That's good. Okay. But how do I use? Okay. All right. Can you hear me on this? Processing. Okay. Forget that. So how do I transcribe? How do I just get it to work? Let me click cursor. What am I feel like an idiot right now. All right. So basically, don't show. Okay. Use Super Whisper for Slack. Slack, Super Whisper. Okay. Slack. Damn. I'm not sure how to do that. Descriptions. So basically, though, hold on. All right. So I want this note to be sent to a Slack channel. Okay. Oh. Okay. So paste it. Do I literally have to say Slack channel for it to go to Slack? So that didn't happen. But I'm in this mode or not? I'm confused. All right. So what mode am I in? What mode am I in? Transcribe settings. Default. No, I want to be in message mode. Default is active. Create modes. Default active. No, this one active. What mode am I in? Oh, this is default. Okay. All right. So wait a second. This is pretty good at transcription, right? So you're getting all of this? Okay. What does space do? Oh, space records and stops recording? No. Stop. Oh, command space. What's command space? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, but hold on. Okay, but is this going to be transcribed into Slack? No. So what the hell? All right, so is this going to be transcribed into Slack? Oh, I see. All right. Okay. Okay, so basically I have to be in Slack at the prompt, and then I toggle Super Whisper, and then the message gets sent to the channel, right? Yeah, okay. 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 That's fine. I got to figure out how to do that in n8n. But basically, in n8n, we have this personal project saving. All right, so I'm going to create this to monitor on new message posted to channel. So on new message. Wait, Slack account. I already have a Slack credential. Set up a webhook in your Slack app to enable this node. Oh, shit. Shoot. All right. So what have we learned? So basically, I can do this. Okay, so I can toggle Super Whisper, and that will transcribe the note into Slack. And then when I get the note into the Slack channel, I want to paste it. I want to send it to the Slack channel, and then I want to have n8n pick it up to trigger workflow, right? Right. Exactly. All right. So that's what I want to do. But now I got to, under the Slack trigger node, respond to events in Slack, integrate Slack with other n8n's of built-in support. So this page, Slack trigger. So any event, the node triggers on any event. New message. The node triggers on a new message. All right. So new message. So how do I set that up? New message. So I got to set up a what? Set up a webhook in your Slack app to enable this node. All right. So I have to set up a webhook in here. I have to go to Slack and set up a webhook. Launch Slack. No. You have 30 more workspaces. But yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do here. That's what I'm going to try to do. So how do I do that? Is the question. Slack setup webhook. You need to create a Slack app, enable incoming webhooks, and then authorize the app to post to a specific channel. To set up a Slack, you need to create a Slack app, enable incoming. Wait. I want to send a webhook, incoming webhooks. No, I want to send a I want Slack to post out. Okay, manage. Let's see, how do we do this? Custom workflows, webhooks, outgoing webhooks, yes. So legacy custom integration. These integrations like new features, listen for triggers and Slack chat messages, which will then send relevant data to external URLs in real time. All right, so let's go back to n8n. So new message, watch whole workspace from the channel. I have my credentials. I don't know why. Oh, access to the hell. Personal. So in here, I have credentials for Slack. Yes. So yeah, it's my Slack account. The hell? Variables, templates. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So they have templates, creating an API endpoint, pulling data. Oh, okay. I didn't realize that n8n had all this stuff. Okay. Admin panel. Manage billing. Wait. What? Oh, I have 2,500 executions in June and 1 out of 5. Okay. It's fine. All right. So why is it that I have to, why is it that my credential isn't saved for my new workflow? Credentials, Slack account in my personal workspace. Yes, great workflow. Add step, Slack, on new message posted to channel, credential. I have a Slack credential. What the F? So wait, so if I do something like, all right, create a channel. Yeah, my Slack account's there. Okay, so why is this such a problem? Why is that different? Because this is a trigger? Webhook URLs, test URL, what is it? Post. I see, production, test. Create credential to connect with. Credentials for Slack triggers are not set. So that's a Slack trigger. This is Slack node. That's the difference. Why are they different? Why are the credentials for the trigger not the same as the node? I don't understand that. Message resource, send and wait, search, update. All right, so basically, I need to configure this Slack trigger. It says I don't have a credential. Need an access token. Share with projects or users. They cannot access. Oh, interesting. You could share credentials. Wow, that's cool. Access token. I have a Slack access token. Damn it. All right. So okay, fine. We'll have to set that up. Channel to watch. All right. Fine. Slack access token. Bot token. Okay. where is my token? Tokens. Bot token, workflow token. What? There's so many different tokens. Come on, man. n8n bot app ID. Okay, client ID. Tokens. Generate tokens and scope. Okay. n8n trigger. So the scope is to read. Generate. Okay, copy. And then, okay. Create. Here's my token. Go ahead. Saved it. Slack account of 2. New messaging channel. Select a channel. Not allowed token type. What? Trigger 2. Add scope. Right. Configure your application. View information. What? App credentials. n8n bot. What's the problem? Slack here. Not allowed token type. Channel to watch. Slack. Okay. What is that? Type token you're using is not the correct or allowed type for a specific method. Generally used for actions. Oh, I see. Specific APIs at all levels. Subset limited actions don't require user scopes. So I guess I need an app level token. Right? Delete the app. Oh, I see. All right. So I can generate a token here. Copy. Let's see if that's the token I need. Create new access token. Okay. Your Slack credential is missing required. Oh, scopes. What the hell? Scopes. Shoot. Workflow token. App level tokens. What kind of token do I want? Shit. Okay, n8n Slack trigger token. Slack trigger. Yes, that's what I mean. It doesn't work. I see. API access token. API access token. That's what I need. API access token. Okay. Okay. Where's an API access token? API app level tokens. Okay. Trigger 3. API access tokens. Configure. Okay, where do I get that? Slack, where is the API access token? OAuth and permission page, often under the bot user OAuth token section. Slack app APR, navigate to OAuth and permissions. Find the bot user OAuth access token. Bot OAuth user access token. Bot OAuth and permissions. Advanced token, OAuth tokens. Oh. Restrict, revoke all. Restrict API. User tokens. Okay, so I guess I got to do this. Okay, allow. Bot user OAuth token. Okay, so I got that. So let's create a new one. Okay. From channel. OAuth scopes. OAuth scopes. Redirect scopes. Oh, okay. Bot token scope. I don't know. Scope. User. Oh, okay. Admin. Administer workspace. Okay. 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 Access level. Okay. OS scopes. Come on, man. This is annoying. Oh, come on. Reinstall. Plow. Okay, let's try this one. No idea. Don't know if this is going to work. Don't know if this is going to work. Basically, what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to get the okay, n8n Slack trigger token. How to you need to use a Slack trigger node. Create a Slack app. Enable event subscriptions. Generate tokens. Bot token for your app. This token represents your app identity used for actions like posting. Generate app level token represents your app as a whole. Choose the specific Slack events. Okay. So I think I need an app level token. OAuth and permission. So scopes. Add an OAuth scope. Bot token scopes. User token scopes. So, events. I need events. Receive Slack connect invite events. I need events. What the hell are events? User token scope. Agents and AI apps. Why is this so confusing? Oh, event subscriptions. Event subscriptions. Okay. Collaborate. Wait. Event subscriptions. Your app can subscribe to be notified of event in Slack. On. Your app request will send a post request to this URL when events occur. Oh. Subscribe to events. Subscribe to bot events. Oh. So as soon as you enter an URL, we'll send a request with a challenge parameter. What? Hold up. So what I'm trying to do is set up an n8n Slack trigger. Okay, n8n Slack trigger. Somebody's had to have like Slack trigger integrations. Ways to use the Slack trigger. I don't want to watch a video right now. Slack trigger setup. Yeah, I want a Slack trigger setup guide. This is what I want. Shit. Okay. Shit. To set up a Slack trigger, you need to create an application. Enables event subscriptions and configure the trigger node with the appropriate URL. How to get Slack trigger to work. Just starting Slack trigger, previous guides. Trigger on. Use the option pop map. Shoot. Damn, I am gonna write up a guide for how to do this because it's like too confusing. Your app can subscribe to be notified of events. Yeah. Need to be set. Okay. Tokens, redirect, bot token scopes. Basic information, manage. Okay. Slack trigger versions. I want to be able to extract some data. It's in a Slack private channel. Slack article. Okay, so n8n how to set up Slack trigger on Slack side. Figure Slack out with the appropriate event subscriptions on the Slack. Create a Slack. Enable event. Navigate. Enable them. Copy the webhook URL from your n8n Slack trigger node. Oh. Okay, where's the URL? Webhook URLs. Oh, I see. Click copy. I see. All right, so wait. So now in Slack, event subscriptions on, here's my endpoint. Update your URL to receive. URL didn't respond with the value of challenge parameter. Test. I guess I just need to copy this prod one. Okay. We'll send a post request to this URL when events occur. Didn't respond. Okay, didn't respond. It's fine. Can I still set it up? Okay, wait. So subscribe to bot events. Select the specific bot events you want your n8n workflow to listen to. Install the app. Subscribe to bot events. Yes. Channels. A channel was created. Wait. Subscribe only to the message events that mention your app or bot. Okay. Message. No, I want anytime I put a message in a channel, I want it to do something. Message was posted in a direct message channel. No. Message was posted to a private channel. No. Wait. What is this? Message. Message was posted in a direct message channel. Okay. Channel. Okay. So basically, I want to send a message in the channel and I want n8n to trigger. Team, subteam, link, grid, team access. Shared channel, messages read. No. Okay. All right, let's go with that. So save it. No. So wait, why? Okay. Copy webhook URLs. So like, doesn't seem to wanna. Your URL didn't respond with the value of challenge parameter. Your endpoint must okay, that's new. Well, shoot. Displaying Slack trigger node. Can read the docs here. Slack trigger node. Any event. New message posted. Once you set use watch options. Damn, I don't know how to do this. All right, I have to do some research and figure this out. Subscribe to events, add and referral domains. I can't even save the changes. Well, shoot. All right. I'm going to have to go do some research on that. Damn. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I think I'm going to call it. Like, I didn't really get anything done, but at least we figured some things out. I figured this out. What is it? Command space. Okay. So now I can talk in Super Whisper, and then that will be recorded into Slack. That's cool. That is cool. I'm going to be using that more. All right. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you later.